Hello everybody, I am Indrajit Parui, again in front of you in Parui Academy. Now the time is just 8 pm. Hope all of you, all of my viewers, they are well. Today, I discuss the next part, second video of Python programming. In second video, I totally describe in which mode and how we can run Python program or write Python program. At first, we must know in how many modes Python program we can run. Python has basically two basic programming modes. Number one, interactive mode, and number two is script mode. Now I discuss what is interactive mode. Interactive mode is a very command line shell which gives immediate result for each command. In interactive mode, we type one command at a time, and Python definitely executes the given commands and gives the output to us. We can follow these steps to start Python and work in interactive mode. Now let's go to the steps. When we go to the steps, how we open Python and write command on Python window. Then first step is, at first click on the start button. Then step 2 is, scroll down the list of the programs and click on the latest version of the Python, which is 3.10, which support basically 64-bit. Then step 3 is, click on IDLE or Python GUI. The main IDLE window appears. Then it's a type of code editor, and here we writing the coding, and after writing the coding we execute Python programs in the editor itself. And IDLE basically stands for Integrated Development and Learning Environment. Now go to the next steps or next process. Now we know about the components of Python or IDLE window. There are basically two things. One is menu bar and the another one is prompt. One is menu bar and the another one is prompt. What is menu bar in Python command window? The menu bar of the Python IDLE window is similar to the menu bar of the other programs. It has various menus such as file, edit, shell, debug, options, etc. Window and help also they are present. And what is prompt? We see blinking cursor after the symbol triple greater than symbol, after the symbol triple greater than symbol in the window. This is basically known as the prompt. So triple greater than symbol after which cursor is blink, this triple greater than symbol basically known as prompt. The prompt allow the user to enter comments. Where we enter comments? In the cursor position after prompt. So we input comments or enter comments or typing comments directly into the Python and get an output instantly by pressing the enter key. Now what is script mode? The interactive mode doesn't save the commands entered by the user in the form of the program, but the script mode saves the commands entered by the user in the form of a program. To understand the working of the script mode, let's go to the next screen. What is script mode? We have divided the process of the script mode in 4 parts. First part is creating a new file. Second part is writing a program. Third part is saving Python program. And the fourth part is running a Python program. These are the preliminary or basic steps under the script mode. For creating a new file, what do we do? Step 1. Open the Python IDE window. What window we open? We open the Python IDE open window. Then step number 2. What do we do? Click on the file menu and then we see a drop down menu which appears just the mouse pointer position. Then step number 3. Click on the new file. Click on the new file option. A new editor window with a blank file will appear on the screen. Now last step is now we writing a program. For writing a program, what do we do? We type a program code in Python window. Our next step is after writing the program in the Python window, we must saving the Python program. So what are the basic steps for saving the Python program? Step 1. Click on the file menu. Step 2. Click on the save option and the save as dialog box then appears on the screen. Now go to the step number 3. What is step number 3? Select the desired location to save the file. Then step number 4 is now we see a dialog box where we put the file name. So we enter or input the name of the file in the file name box with the help of the keyboard by typing the name. Then step number 5 or last step is click on the save button. The file will be saved by the given name at the selected location. Now next, two commonly used functions which essentially every time required for write down the Python program. What is these two functions? One is the input function and the another one is the print function. How we indicate that it's a function after input and after print? When we see a parenthesis, that means first bracket open then first bracket close, it indicate the function. That means input is a function and also print is a function. What do we do by using the input function? But what is the definition, basic definition of the input function? The input function takes the user's input while a program executes. The general syntax of the input function is input then prompt. We use the prompt. Here prompt is the string or message we wish to display on the screen. For example, we can say name equal input. Just look at the screen. Name equal input. Parenthesis, that means first bracket begin, then quotation, double quotation. Now we type enter your name or input your name. Then quotation close, first bracket close. Now when we enter, what happened? After the command prompt, it display enter your name. And here we just put Mohan. So it display Mohan. We input the name Mohan. Now if we print it, then it display Mohan. Now we go to the another function which is print function. The print function prints or sends the output to the standard output device, that means monitor, which is usually basically any types of monitor where we see the output or the final result. This function automatically converts the items to a string, or if we try printing a numeric value, the print function will automatically convert it into equivalent string and print it. The print function also introduces spaces between items automatically. Okay, today we end here. In next video, now we must going to start basic Python program, just like display hello world. How we can input 2 or 3 numbers and calculate the summation, addition, subtraction, division or multiplication. In the next video we must discuss it. Hope all of you must watch the video, full video without skip it. If you like it, you must share it, subscribe it, and also give a comment. So I begin from the easy way. As a result, every students who are new in language, they can understand it easily and write down the code comfortably easily by understanding the language or program from my videos. We want feedback from you. Please write down some comments. Share it, subscribe it, and must watch my channel Parui Academy at 8 p.m.